Greetings, greetings, greetings. Welcome to this channel where every day we have a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So let me ask you something. You didn't know, say sometimes Jesus did hide the real meaning and when did I say, even from him disciple them? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people for your God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, do it now. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what are going right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 9 from verse 43 to verse 45. When them a look and I wonder about what them see, Jesus said to him special follower them, hear what me I say and listen me good. Them a go take the man where God pick and give him over to people where hate him. But Jesus follower them never get where him say. And them afraid for ask him what him really a talk about. God did hide what it mean, so they couldn't understand it. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.